I got a question on YouTube asking the possibility of plastic surgery for foreign doctors. Possibility, yes, certainly it is possible, but is it a cakewalk? Is it easy? No. In total, at present, according to the data from 2023, there are 1,000 plastic surgeons working in Germany. From that, around 350 are in ambulant Bereich. Ambulant Bereich means OPD basis. They would be doing procedures, minor procedures, but the patient does not have to be admitted. That is not a hospital, it is a ambulant clinic. And then the rest are in the stationär or clinic Bereich. That means it's a hospital. That means the cases like burns or trauma, post-tumor resection, such complicated big cases, they would be managed by those around 500, 600 doctors across Germany. That means the position is coveted, the position is less. And when the position is less, then the competition is certainly high. That's why that makes it little difficult for foreign doctors to get into plastic surgery. Having said that, I do not want to demotivate anyone here because I have already seen foreigners with foreign qualification having come here, done their training, and entered plastic surgery, then become fakats in plastic surgery and reconstructive surgery. So it is possible, certainly. Now, the duration of plastic surgery is 6 years. From that, the entire duration is 6 years, like it is for orthopedics or like it is for vascular surgery, like it is for cardiac surgery. So plastic surgery is also not a super specialty branch. I mean, it is a super specialty branch, but you can directly enter into plastic surgery as well. But the other route is that from that 6 years, 6 months have to be done in a Notaufnahme, that is the emergency. 6 months have to be done of the Intensivstation, that is the ICU. And 12 months, the rest 1 year, could be done in other department, other surgical department. That means from the 6 years, basically only 4 years have to be core plastic surgery. Apart from that, 2 years are common trunk. That means intensive, emergency, and the 1 year you can do general surgery, you can do orthopedics, trauma. So these things can be done. That means 6 years is the duration. That is what I wanted to mention about plastic surgery in Germany. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel and write your comments. I try my best to make more and more videos for you guys. Yeah, and I will keep doing that.